$AP Rocky was found not guilty Wednesday of assault with a firearm in connection with a 2021 shooting in Hollywood. Los Angeles Superior Court Judge M.L. Villar ruled after a nearly 2-week trial in which Rocky, whose legal name is Rakim Mayers, testified that he did not shoot his former friend and $AP mob member Terrell Efron, also known as $AP Terrell. Efron testified that Rocky shot at him during an argument in Hollywood in November 2021, and that he was struck in the hand, but his testimony was inconsistent, and he admitted that he had trouble remembering details. Judge Villar said that she found that Efron's testimony was not credible, and that there was not enough evidence to convict Rocky. Rocky testified that he was not the shooter, and that he was only trying to protect himself and his girlfriend Rihanna, who was pregnant with their first child at the time. Rocky's defense attorneys argued that Efron was lying about the shooting and that he was trying to extort money from Rocky. Prosecutors argued that Rocky was guilty of assault with a firearm and that he should be held accountable for his actions. Rihanna was present in the courtroom for much of the trial, and she was seen supporting Rocky. In closing arguments, prosecutors said Rocky had the motive and opportunity to shoot Efron, while defense attorneys said the prosecution's case was based on speculation and conjecture. The jury deliberated for several hours before reaching a verdict. When the verdict was read, Rocky showed no visible emotion. He declined to comment as he left the courthouse, but his attorneys said he was grateful for the jury's verdict. Legal experts said the case was difficult for prosecutors because Efron's testimony was inconsistent and there was no other strong evidence to support his claims. The verdict could have implications for Rocky's career, as he had been facing a possible prison sentence if convicted. Mayers had been charged with 2 counts of assault with a semi-automatic firearm, each carrying a sentence of up to 9 years in prison. The shooting took place after an argument escalated, with Mayers allegedly firing in Efron's direction. Prosecutors presented evidence including text messages and surveillance footage to support their case. The defense argued that the evidence was circumstantial, and that Efron's account was unreliable. The case drew significant media attention, given Mayers' fame and the involvement of Rihanna, and the verdict marks the end of a high-profile legal battle.